Welcome back to Myel's Luxury Auto. The 2025 Chevrolet Luxury Motorhome arrives as one of the most anticipated vehicles in the premium RV segment, seamlessly combining American engineering strength with the comforts of a high-end residence on wheels. Built for travelers who refuse to compromise between rugged capability and refined living, this motorhome is designed to take the open road experience to an entirely new level. Chevrolet, long known for dependable trucks, SUVs, and performance cars, now brings that same legacy of reliability into the motorhome arena, creating a vehicle that's as suitable for adventurous cross-country trips as it is for relaxed weekend getaways. The exterior design alone speaks volumes about its intent. With a bold stance, sculpted body lines, and a premium finish, the motorhome exudes road presence. Aerodynamic elements aren't just for show, they contribute to better efficiency and stability at highway speeds. LED lighting systems ensure maximum visibility, while large panoramic windows allow occupants to take in scenic landscapes as they roll past. The front fascia borrows cues from Chevrolet's modern truck lineup, giving it a tough yet sophisticated look, while high-grade materials used on the sidewalls and roof promise long-term durability against weather extremes. Under the hood, a powerful V8 engine, consistent with Chevrolet's proven platforms, delivers a balanced mix of performance and smooth driving manners. Whether climbing steep mountain passes or cruising along flat interstates, the motorhome is engineered to maintain confident handling and consistent power delivery. Advanced suspension components provide stability, while an optimized chassis design minimizes body roll and increases passenger comfort. Many enthusiasts expect the inclusion of optional hybrid or solar-ready systems, reflecting Chevrolet's commitment to modern energy solutions and eco-friendly travel. Step inside, and the transformation from rugged traveler to luxury resident becomes immediately apparent. The interior resembles a premium apartment more than an RV. Soft touch surfaces, leather-wrapped seating, and finely crafted cabinetry greet passengers in a warm, upscale atmosphere. Chevrolet designers have paid close attention to lighting, using ambient LED strips and strategically placed fixtures to create an inviting space both day and night. Spacious floor plans provide dedicated living, dining, kitchen, and sleeping zones, ensuring no sacrifice of comfort during long journeys. The kitchen is equipped with top-tier appliances, including a convection microwave, induction cooktop, and full-size refrigerator, allowing gourmet meals to be prepared on the move. Solid surface countertops add durability and elegance, while clever storage solutions maximize every inch of usable space. The bathroom feels more like a boutique hotel than an RV compartment, featuring a glass-enclosed shower, high-quality fixtures, and abundant water capacity through advanced tank and pump systems. In the living area, convertible sofas, theater seating, and a dining booth or freestanding table option create a versatile environment for both entertaining and relaxation. Entertainment technology is another highlight of this luxury motorhome. Chevrolet's expertise in infotainment systems ensures seamless integration of smart controls, navigation, and premium audiovisual equipment. Expect large flat-screen televisions, surround sound speakers, and multiple charging ports for laptops, tablets, and mobile devices. Advanced climate control, including zoned heating and cooling, keeps the interior comfortable in any season. Connectivity features like Wi-Fi boosters and satellite compatibility turn this vehicle into a mobile office or streaming hub, ideal for remote workers and digital nomads. Safety and driver assistance are equally important. Anticipated systems include adaptive cruise control, lane departure warnings, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system for effortless parking and maneuvering in tight spaces. These features are invaluable when piloting a vehicle of this size, providing peace of mind for both seasoned RV owners and first-time drivers. Chevrolet's established dealer network also gives buyers confidence that service and maintenance will be accessible wherever they travel. Practicality hasn't been overlooked. Exterior storage compartments are designed to hold camping gear, outdoor furniture, and adventure equipment without cluttering the living space. Automatic leveling jacks, power awnings with integrated lighting, and optional outdoor kitchens make setup at campsites quick and enjoyable. Solar panels, lithium-ion house batteries, and efficient generator systems are expected to support extended off-grid stays, allowing travelers to venture far beyond traditional RV parks without sacrificing power or convenience. In terms of design flexibility, the 2025 Chevrolet Luxury Motorhome is likely to offer multiple floor plans to suit different types of owners. Some may prefer a compact layout with greater mobility, while others might opt for a longer, fully equipped coach with multiple slide-outs for maximum interior room. No matter the configuration, the common theme will be luxury, convenience, and high-end craftsmanship. This motorhome isn't just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle statement. It targets discerning buyers who want more than just a way to get from point A to point B. They want to enjoy the journey as much as the destination, surrounded by comfort, elegance, and the reliability that Chevrolet vehicles have been known for over decades. Whether traveling across scenic highways, exploring national parks, or attending events with family and friends, this motorhome allows its owners to do it all with unmatched sophistication. With its bold design, powerful performance, cutting-edge technology, and plush interior, the 2025 Chevrolet Luxury Motorhome is poised to redefine expectations in the RV industry. It blends the freedom of the open road with the indulgence of high-end living, ensuring every mile traveled is an experience worth remembering. This is not just a motorhome, it's Chevrolet's vision of what modern luxury travel should be.